Hi, I'm Paul with RackAttack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the 2021 and beyond Chevrolet Suburban with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail foot pack set of 4 and the WingBar Evo load bars set of 2 offered in silver or black, and the vehicle specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these contoured rubber base pads and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets and 4 of these barrel fasteners. Now, these components have numbers that are assigned to them, which are vehicle specific for the given side rail on the vehicle. And I'll demonstrate how these attach onto one of the Evo Flush Rail feet. So first I'll go ahead and remove this outer cover, and within the foot you'll notice there is a threaded post. Now these have identification numbers, but they also have letters which will guide you in the correct order of installation, starting with the letter A, and that's the first part to be installed onto the foot. So we'll just set that in place there. Next is B, which is the rubber base pad, and that just presses to the underside of the foot in designated slots. And then C is the outer bracket, and that just hinges on the first bracket and comes down, and then the barrel fastener will just thread to hold those parts in place temporarily. Now the next step would be to attach the foot to the load bar. And so here we have the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories. That track is accessible by opening up the end cap, allowing you to slide the hardware in between the 2 pieces of rubber, giving you a very clean, integrated method of attachment for certain accessories and carriers. Now, to attach the foot to the bar, we'll go ahead and remove this end cap. Now here you'll notice there is a plastic measuring device. The numbers here are not referenced in the instruction sheet. However, you can use those to help to center the load bar on the roof of the vehicle. So now we'll go ahead and just slide the foot onto the bar. The next step, we would advise to go ahead and put the end cap on. That way, when you're maneuvering this bar with the loose foot around on the vehicle, it won't slip off the end. So the next step would be to tighten the barrel fastener to hold the brackets to the side rail on the vehicle. And to do that, Thule includes a tool, and this tool is designed to where when you tighten it fully, the handle will click, and that will ensure that you've reached the maximum correct tightness onto the side of your side rails. So I'll go ahead and tighten that fully so you can hear that click. Okay, so that would indicate that you've reached the maximum tightness. Now you'll notice there is a slot here that's still exposed, and to minimize wind noise, you would use a rubber strip that's included with the load bars to fill in that slot, and that'll help maintain good aerodynamic performance there. Now we can go ahead and put the outer cover back into place, and you'll notice here we have a plastic plug. You can give that a 1/4 turn, and that'll hold that cover in place. However, you do have the option to replace that plug with a Thule 1-key system lock cylinder. And these cylinders are sold in matched sets so that you can have not only all 4 of your feet all key matched, but also potentially other 1-key system compatible accessories all key matched for convenience, so you can lock and unlock your Thule products with a single key. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail base roof rack system. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.